The Gtongoko 18-pound T Post Driver is a robust tool constructed from durable steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coating, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. This heavy-duty post driver is designed to easily drive various types of posts, including T-posts, wooden and metal posts, deep into the ground with minimal effort. Equipped with two convenient handles, this tool allows for easy maneuverability, making the installation of U-posts and T-posts straightforward and efficient. The Gtongoko T Post Driver is thoughtfully sized at 17 inches in height and 7.5 inches in width, making it a versatile addition to your fencing toolkit. Despite its substantial 18-pound weight, this post driver is easily manageable, providing a perfect balance between heft and usability for effective post installation. Gtongoko stands by their product with a strong commitment to customer satisfaction, offering a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 3-month free replacement warranty.